Miningscout auf der Diggers und Dealers 2015. Weiterhin suchen wir interessante Gesprächspartner und ich freue mich jetzt, Warren Hallam von Metals X begrüßen zu dürfen. Warren, it's a pleasure to meet you again after Munich last year.
Thanks, Alban.
So, as we've met in Munich, your company was in very good progress and you're producing gold and tin already. So, what are you doing at the moment? What's an update for the last month?
Well, the update is we're still progressing. What we've done now is we've been producing around 150,000 ounces, as we spoke about last time in Munich. We're now bringing on our third operation, in fact. It's another 200,000 ounces of production, and that will basically, it's already started, but the processing plant will be up and running before the end of the year. We'll move towards 200,000 ounces of production. Since then, we've also made a couple of other acquisitions. One of those will come on about the middle of next year, and that will be at another 60,000 ounces. So over the next 3 years, we'll be looking at around being a 500,000 ounce per annum gold producer. In regards to the tin, the tin's going really well. We keep adding resource, adding reserves. We're now up to around 19 years of resource. So it's a very long-term project. Costs are very good. Recoveries are excellent. So everything's going very well in the tin business. And then on the nickel business, which is one of the largest undeveloped nickel deposits in the world, we've advanced that quite strongly as well. So right now we're just finalising our EPA approvals for that, and then that project will be ready to start that development.
So what are you doing in the current market situation? Gold price with respect to US dollars is kind of under pressure. With respect to Australian dollar, it's quite stable. So are you rather exploring and expanding your existing projects, or are you looking for takeovers as well?
Well, we're doing a bit of everything, I think. Look, our margins are still reasonably strong in Australian dollars. We're looking at sort of an estimation around $1,100 Australian, and the current price is around $1,500. So we're still doing about a $400 margin on gold. We're always looking at acquisitions and really what makes money for shareholders. So it's all about basically the economics of the projects and getting a return for our shareholders. So, when we get to 500,000 ounces at $400 an ounce, I'll let you do the maths, but it's a very strong cash flow for the company. And then in addition to that, we have the tin cash flow coming through as well.
So, talking about acquisitions, are you only looking in Australia, or are you looking abroad as well?
No, look, we're mainly looking in Australia, and that's a low-risk option for us. And you do get the benefit of the Australian dollar, because if you're a US producer right now, then you'd be hurting quite a lot. And we've had a 30% fall in the exchange rate, so in US dollars, all of a sudden our operating costs are 30% lower than anyone else.
So conference has been rather quiet this year, not that many companies attending. So what do you say happened at your booth? Are there many people passing by, showing interest in your company?
There's always plenty of people that have an interest, especially we've been progressing in building the company, and people are always interested, as you guys are, in regards to where we've got to and how we're progressing, and how that production profile is starting to build up.
Thank you very much for the interview.
Thank you. Thanks, Alban.